All right, so if Perplexity AI is not giving answers, maybe it's stuck loading, showing blank results, or just not responding, yeah, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. First, quick idea, this usually happens because of weak internet, bad prompts, cache issues, or sometimes server overload. Start simple. Check your internet connection. If it's slow or unstable, answers may not load properly. Next, refresh the page or hit retry. Sometimes the request just fails once and works the second time. This one's important. Improve your prompt. If your question is too vague, Perplexity might not return a proper answer. So be more specific. If it's still not working, clear your browser cache and cookies. This fixes most loading and response issues. If you're using a VPN or browser extensions, turn them off. They can block requests or slow things down. Try using a different browser or device, just to check if the problem is coming from your setup. And sometimes it's not you. If Perplexity servers are busy or down, it may stop giving answers for a while. Last thing, log out and log back in. This can fix session-related issues quickly. So yeah, most of the time, it's a simple fix. Just go step by step, and you should get answers working again pretty fast. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more quick fixes coming soon.